Hey, let's look at a new wig that I have never seen before in person. I've contemplated it a lot and looked at their site online. It's called Nell's Wigs, and I'll leave a link below in the description box. But let's go ahead and open it. Look at this nice satin bag that it comes in. Let's see. Oh, a wig cap came complimentary. Ooh, the wig is nice and bundled in the net. Oh, yeah. Now I'm gonna have to look up all the information. I just couldn't wait to get it out and show you guys. This is how she comes. It looks like my signature color range. So she's got a lace front, feels like it's temple to temple, goes to the ear tabs, it's open top so you could part it anywhere on the top, and wefted around the sides. It has Velcro closures so that you can tighten if you need to. And she looks really natural and she's really soft. I love this. I'm gonna get the color for you. Let's try her on. Let's start here. And just brush her back. Hold on to the front lace and brush her back. This will probably give her a little lift in the front also. But I know I don't want the front flat. Some people like their front strands to lay flat on their head, and I like a little lift, especially if we have a nice lace front like this. Can you even see that lace at all? So I looked it up in my order, and this wig is called Brittany, and they usually come only in one color, whatever the order is, but it's a beautiful, it's represented just like this in the photograph, and I love it. I'm gonna give her a little bit more curl in the top, a little more height in the top, and I'll do that by lifting it and heating along here and letting it cool so that it has the strands have a little more of a lift to them, and that way when it falls it'll be a little more lifted. Not so flat to my head, but it feels like hair. It looks like hair. I'm very excited about it. It's a really nice budget wig that I feel like it's durable. The strands are really soft, and if you can see how natural it moves, it moves like human hair, like natural hair. This is synthetic. This is a synthetic wig, and I'm excited about it. I'm gonna keep shopping nails and see what else I can find. Here's the link. Sorry, I cannot move my chair. Nels Wigs. And you'll get you a nice, handy dandy Nels satin bag. To store it in, to carry it in. I'm excited. Thank you guys for dropping by, and I'll see you next time.